Hi guys, it's me Christina and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a new box for you guys which is called StitchFix. This one right here. Actually, this is my third StitchFix, so if you guys are interested, so let's go ahead and open this box. So here's what it looks like inside, guys. So first thing, I got this one. This is envelope, so all the price and the name of the stuff is right here. The next thing, I got this prepaid return envelope. And here's the items, guys. So next thing that I've got, guys, is this one right here. It's a beautiful dress, guys, which I really like it. And this one, it's called Danielle Rainn-Yasmin button detail dress. Next item that I've got, guys, is this one right here. It's a beautiful blouse. This one, it's called Danielle Rainn-Saharey Tassel knit top, and I got the navy color, and then I got the small size. Next item that I've got, guys, is this one right here. It's a beautiful denim jacket, guys. I really like it, the style in it. And then this one, guys, it's called Diva classic denim jacket, and I got the white color and the small size. The last item that I've got, guys, is this one right here. So it's a skinny jean. This one, it's called Grace High Rise Super Skinny Jean, and I got the navy color, and then I get the size 4. So that's it for this video, guys. By the way, if you haven't watched my first and second StitchFix video, I will leave the link in the description box so you can check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up, comment down below, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.